One of the key features of a vault or platform is sharing of assets, whether digital or tangible. The primary user is considered an owner, who can add multiple subaccounts for those who are allowed to share the asset. The owner can remove any subaccount to terminate sharing of an asset with that person at any time. An invitation to share an asset, for example, a car, is a request to share a public key by a person who wants to have access to that car. The Vault platform handles a public key like a shared secret, so it provides a secure bulletin board for exchange of those keys if sharing individuals use the same authentication service. Sharing between individuals using different authentication services is also supported, but it is not part of this demo. Let's meet John and Alice in action with Vaulter. In order to allow Alice to use his car, John logs into his Vaulter. If not done yet, then clicks the Service button, and selects the My Car option from the list of shareable services or assets. Upon that selection, John clicks the Share button and then types the Alice's email and a brief message in the provided fields. In this demo, the Invite button does all of this typing. When the message is ready, John clicks the Send button. Alice has up to 10 days to respond to it. To accept John's invitation to share his car, Alice must first create a service that will represent John's car, which can be done by selecting the certificate of that service and saving it in the Vaulter's registry. Upon that, Alice can click the Share button and then click the Requests button to see if John sent an invitation. She can now click the invitation to see what John wrote to her. If everything is according to their agreement, Alice can click the Accept button. Just like before, in this demo, the Accept button does the work, which includes the generation of an encryption key. What Alice has yet to do is click the Send button. John can now add Alice as one of the users of his car. He clicks on Alice's reply message and then clicks on the button, which shows what type of key was sent by Alice, and in this case it is the RSA key. That will add Alice's key to John's personal container with the public encryption keys of people who share his assets. The last thing that John has to do is add Alice's account to his car. Upon selecting the My Car service, he clicks the Share button and then the Parties button, which shows the list of people who shared their public keys with him to share his car. He then clicks the Alice's name, which activates the Plus button. By clicking that button, John creates Alice's account of his car. Alice can now associate the car application on her device with John's car. She starts the app outside of Vaulter, clicks the Registration button and then the Register button, and follows the same steps as shown in Demo 1. Upon completion, the car widget will show up on her Vaulter's launch panel. She can now operate the car, according to permissions that John gave her during registration, which was not shown in this demo. To remove Alice's account, John selects the My Car service, clicks the Share button, and again the Share button that lists users of his car. He can then click the Alice's name, which activates the minus button. By clicking that button, John removes Alice's account of his car. Upon removal of Alice's account, she will see the failure status on her car application, because the car will not respond to her request. She may remove the app from her Vaulter's registry or keep it for the next time to share.